Last night, my girl child was having dry cough, and was unable to sleep during night hours. I decided to try my grandmother's folk medicine, on her dry cough. Turmeric consists of 3 different curcuminoids, and they are difuryloylmethane, dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin. Of the 3, difuryloylmethane is present in higher amounts, and is responsible for the color and medicinal value of the herb. Curcumin serves as an anti-inflammatory agent, and also possess antibacterial, antiviral action and aid in treatment of bacterial and viral infections, such as cough and cold. The anti-inflammatory action of curcumin aids in relieving the chest congestion that develops in people suffering with chronic cough. I took a small amount of fresh turmeric and took out the juice in a small bowl. Mixed the fresh turmeric juice with pure honey, and gave 1 spoonful of the juice to my daughter. For getting instant relief from her dry cough, I gave her some sun-dried ginger to suck it for some time. After some time, she gets rid of her dry cough and slept well throughout the night without any kind of problems. The next morning, I once again gave her another spoonful of mixed turmeric and honey juice. By 7:30 a.m., she is ready and fit to go to her school. Please note that turmeric is very safe, but it is not recommended for pregnant women and to people suffering from other kind of diseases, and is under medications.